So I'm going to go over this first problem on this worksheet, okay? I really should have had a different practice problem, but I don't, so. All right, the first thing I need to do is look at this thing bigger. How do I zoom this? Anybody know? View. Zoom. Oh, I can do present, but then I don't know if I can write in it if I present. You can't? Okay, so I zoomed to 200%. Oh, that's a lot better, okay? So, a sailfish, the world's fastest fish, swims 69 miles per hour. Is the distance the sailfish sails proportional to the number of hours that it swims? Okay, so they give you a table here. Oh, no, they don't give you a table. How do you know? Okay, so this first problem doesn't use a table. But you kind of make one up on your own. So, I'll put a text box in here. Okay, and now I can type in this text box, right? I should be able to. So, 1 hour, how far does the sailfish swim? In 1 hour?
69 miles.
69 miles, because it goes 69 miles per hour, okay? If it swims for 2 hours, how much is it going to, how far is it going to swim?
138.
Excellent. Oh, Carlos, that's great math right there. Okay, well, how do you get that? 2 times 69, which you can do in your calculator if you want, or you can do it in your head, which I think Carlos did. 2 times 60, that's 120, plus 2 times 9, which is 18. That's 138.
I do the numbers.
That's excellent. Okay, now, do you think if I kept doing this and I divide this number, the miles, divided by the hours, is that number always going to be the same? The answer.
No.
Miles divided by hours. Is it always going to be the same?
Yes.
Yeah, it's always going to be the same. So that means that the answer to this question is this a proportional relationship? The answer is yes. Okay, so, I don't know, you could just say yes.
Yes, proportional.
Okay, yes, proportional.
I would say yes.
Okay. All right, let's look at the next one. It's a little more interesting.
The third one,
No, I'm giving you guys the answers to this worksheet here. So.
the third one is, you have to do like 9.6 or something.
Yeah, use a calculator. Right, you can use a calculator for all these. Okay, so what we're going to do here. What we're going to do here is, this table shows the number of packages and how much it costs to ship them or something, I guess, right? Okay, so in order to figure out if this is proportional or not, I'm going to go here. Okay, there should be a text box there. Okay, and in this text box, I'm going to type in 11 divided by 1 equals 11. Okay? In this text box, I'm going to type in what? What division am I going to do in this text box? Miles. 20 divided by 2. You could write it like this too. It's kind of easier. Right? 20 divided by 2. And what does that come out to? 10. Right? Shouldn't need a calculator for that one. Do I need to do any more in this problem?
No.
Why not?
Because you already know that it's not proportional.
Exactly right, Carlos. Man, you are sharp today.
Why not?
These two numbers are not equal. The ratio of the output value divided by the input value is not constant. That means it is not proportional. So what I want to do for not proportional is insert.
Can you just like highlight the number?
Shape. I'm going to draw a circle.
Is it okay if we just highlight it?
I guess that's fine. Okay, draw a circle like that. Oh, it's filled in. Take this fill bucket and make it transparent.
I just read the number
Okay.
red.
That's fine. As long as I can tell which one you picked. Oh, I picked the wrong one.
I still take to know what it. I was like, wait, no, I got it
Move
wrong.
over here, circle.
The video.
Oh, yeah. Okay?
If you give us the wrong answer.
I do it all the time. Ask these guys in the back. I give wrong answers all the time. That's how you do this worksheet. And then when you finish these problems, hit submit. It's only 4 problems, right? Okay? All right. There's my little review of how to do this. Google just asked a really good question. He's on fire this morning. Okay? He said, well, on this bottom problem here, do I just have to do the first 2 of these? And if they're different, you can stop because you know if they're different that it's not proportional. Okay? But if they're the same, then you have to do the next one and make sure that one's the same. And then you have to do the next one and make sure that one is the same. Okay? So if they're the same, you have to do all of them. Because maybe the last one is different and then that would make it not proportional, right? Okay? Excellent question. Excellent topic.
Wait, where's my idea for it?